Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living here on YouTube. And if you are new to my channel, I am a homeschool mom to 4. I have an 8-year-old, a 6-year-old, a 3-year-old, and a newborn who is 3 months old. So here on my channel, I share our homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, organization, motherhood, home decor, and our faith, and all that falls into that. So in today's video, I'm going to be organizing this. So this is where I store my sensory bin stuff. If you have been following me for a while, you know that I have really got into sensory bins for my kiddos, and I did not expect it to get this exciting, but I had some sand that I'd picked up from Dollarama and I just started playing with it, and the kids have really been liking it. So I've been collecting things and I've been putting things from around our house as I declutter into here that I can go ahead and use in sensory bins. And I was storing it in this. We picked this up for, there's 3 drawers here. We picked this up for my son's Legos actually. And he wasn't using it right away, so I went ahead and took it to organize all my stuff, but it is getting too small and I cannot open the drawers. So I went ahead and ordered this big organizer off of Amazon. This is the 15 drawer one. It was a little more expensive than the 12 drawer one, but I love that it had more storage. I love that it had more big storage, and it was an investment for home, for homeschool, and it has the top as well. So I'm gonna store my laminator and my planner up here and have it right by the couch so that I can pull it out, but I can also keep this stuff away from my daughter so she doesn't get into it. But yes, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around and organize all of this stuff into here, and I'm going to label it at the end. And I'm really excited to get this all organized so that it is easier to go through everything and create all of these sensory bins. All right, let's get to it. Before we get started, I also just want to mention that this is in collaboration with Sunday over at The Helpful Home, and this is a part of the Tiny Tidy Tuesday collab with a bunch of other cleaning channels here on YouTube. So you're going to get cleaning motivation, organization, small tidies to encourage you and inspire you to get your cleaning done this week. It is an open collaboration, so you can contact Sunday over at her channel if you're interested in that. And I'll have the playlist and Sunday's channel linked down below in the description box, so don't forget to check out that video. Okay, so before we get started, I thought I would just show you inside the drawers. I have different things in here that I need to sort through and all of that, but I thought I would just show you a close-up of how the drawers in this particular organizer are just totally not working for me anymore. As you can see, we need the space over here. So yes, let's get it done. new supplies that I recently got from Amazon that I need to go ahead and fit as well. So I got this pluffle, which I've been using recently in my sensory bin. So I stocked up. I am slowly getting all of the colors. I have the orange and black coming with some more red and blue because it's the only way to get it. So that is on its way as well. But so I picked up the glow in the dark one, the pink, the yellow, the green, and the purple. And I can go ahead and reuse this. So once I have the colors, then we can keep reusing them for more sensory bins. And that is why I have 2 empty ones, because I already picked up a blue and a red. But to get the pink, green, and purple, like all of the colors, I had to go ahead and get the set again, or I would have to go ahead and get the set to get some of the colors. I don't know how it works, but yeah, I think it was like red and blue come separately, but then orange and black don't come separately, and something with the yellow as well. So that is it. So we can fit 6 in there. Does not close. 6. Maybe not. Okay, so that will, we just have to push them down. So I can fit 6. So what I will have to do, can fit that. Then these are some more animals, and then I can come up here. And then I have these, and these are sand toys, but I think I might just take this. Let's see what. I might just put this down here actually, and then get rid of that one. And then I have this as well, which might just put down here. All right, so for now, I have my animals and some containers up here and some extra little pieces. I do have some stuff currently in a sensory bin, so as I like rotate stuff in and out, it will come in here. This one is empty, and then down here is Easter. I have a lot of Easter. Yeah, and that's not going to close now because this one is stuck, so we have to, let's take that out. So what I'm thinking, maybe I can do that, and then let it go on. It's just getting stuck, so maybe I can only do like one layer of those. This is just, maybe I'll just take this out. Okay, so all of that pluffle foam fits in here for now, and then I have another set of pluffle coming, so I'll probably have to move these around, but that is okay. And then over here I have 2 drawers that are empty, and then I have just odds and ends, different pieces that I'm saving that I got from my grandma from when she was sewing. And this is like my St. Patrick's Day bin, and then you could also use these for Halloween. And then this is games, And then something is making this one stick. Why is this one sticky? There's just stuff. This one is just all tools for the sand. Put this one there. And then down here is just like odds and ends. So this is sand toys. These are some like letter crayons. These are some letter foam pieces that I just had and I threw in here. And I can go ahead and use them. And then this is a Valentine's Day. And then down here is summer and leaves. And then the cotton balls for snow. So there's definitely not a ton of storage in here, but I can categorize it. So I love that. And I'll just have to go through it and be really, really smart with what I bring in and reusing stuff. And yes, and just kind of shuffle things around as I like rotate the different seasons and sensory bins and all of that. So that is everything. All right, so thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you join me here on my channel as we share our homeschool journey, organizing, cleaning motivation, and all of that in between. I am really, really excited about having this organized. And if you are a sensory bin person too, maybe this will be helpful for you, because I was searching to figure out how to store all my sensory bin stuff and I couldn't find a lot of ideas. So if you store your sensory bin stuff, let me know down below in the comments how you do that as well. And definitely check out the playlist for more cleaning motivation, organization, and small cleaning tasks for your week. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.